Okay, so I got you back. Had a little trouble on that. Be the left side of my camera here, right there. I don't think I got it cleaned down quite good enough, and I had a little bit of bleed back when I was welding on that side. But as you can see, I don't think it's going anywhere. I've got good penetration all the way around. So, and again on this side down in here, I fixed the brake. I used a little jack to push it up, the floor jack, to get it back into where I thought it should be, and then I welded it in. Now hopefully this is the end of that. The only thing I got left to do is I'll put some rattle can black paint on it. Now, let me show you one other spot that I noticed when I was and it wasn't pretty back here either, because there is no way to get I got cords laying everywhere for the step on them. So well, anyway, in the corner back here on both sides, I do a little repair. Now on the inside, it kind of bled through from the other side of bubble because it's very thin in there for some reason. I'm believing that metal is not the best, but right here I put a bead down through there because it was cracked. And there's really, I did my best with a wire wheel to get that done. But a little rattle can paint on it. Pick up my tools. Call it a day. Should be good. So yeah, I'll watch it. I'm going to be really easy on it and see what happens. I don't believe. We don't ram snowbanks. We have loaders to take care of that kind of stuff. So. I think this is all from the initial, when I hit a curb. This is a couple years ago with it, so I think that's where it started with this one. The other ones don't seem to have that problem, and I do that one account a lot, and there is a bad curb there. You got to be real careful with it. It sticks up about 2 inches, and if you're not paying attention, if you got your blade in the scoop mode, it will catch it. So that's what I probably did. Okay, thanks for stopping in, subscribing, liking the videos, love the comments, try to answer everybody, and thanks for stopping in.